you know, you always make me happy, you know. So I also enjoy coming to you. See?
I love what is down there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Bob.
Yeah.
I love you, okay? There are a lot of guys out there, but I chose you. Please don't play with my heart. Don't be a player. Don't be like a footballer. Don't play with my heart, please.
Me, player. Over my dead body. Hey, let me tell you something. You see, I sometimes feel like I'm not your class. But aside all those things, you chose me over all those guys. That makes me a special person. Listen, you are such a wonderful woman. I don't want to joke. In fact, you are uncomparable. There is no woman in this town, in this very town, that I can compare to you.
You are blowing my head off.
You have to. And you know, one thing that makes me love you so much is the way you take good care of me, outside and inside.
Oh, you make me shy, baby.
I promise you, if I don't marry you, I will go gaga.
Hey!
I will go crazy if I don't marry you. Miss DAGAATI.
I'll be missing you.
I will, don't worry. Let me go home and see if I can come back to the evening.
If you can, I don't want. Why are you using that word? In fact, I'm going to put something on fire right away, so I'm expecting you in the evening. Okay, baby. Oh, why I haven't divided attention?
No.
Because I want to press on you. You see that?
I thought you were tired, so you can rest for tonight, and maybe I can come in tomorrow.
We are going for a second round in the evening.
Are you sure? I have no problem. Since you wish for it, so we shall have it.
Okay.
I will ask you.
I'm waiting for you. Baby. I nearly forgot. Forgive me. Yeah, this for you.
Hey.
From my heart. You know I love you so much. So.
DAGAATI. Miss DAGAATI.
Bob.
All this money for me.
All for you.
But
I can't express how much I love you.
But what did I do to get all this money? I didn't do anything.
Even I'm expecting some 5,000 in the evening. So immediately they push it into my account in the evening, then I'll just give it to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful woman. You see, these are some of the things that you do for me, and then I lose control. You see,
Don't lose control.
I'll promise to be with you for the rest of my life. Okay? Yeah. In fact.
Bob.
I'll come in the evening.
it's not only in your film. Then you say that it's your bow, say, in the many of them now, we never be and she make us say a you, but I won't say them here. So, me and my son is a baba, oh, my fair. More for me, can't say, but oh, no, baba. If you are doing the best things, you should be always stable with this person. Instead of saying, I know you will show you back. It's a part of me. If you are willing to make a failure, not worrying with the bills. Don't be offended, though. Once a penny to a laugh and a balance on to be.
Kasa to so mo bi. That's Fauzy. HAJIA no. One have you? Oh, your phone sad. HAJIA. Me nim da so betimi akasa say that. Me ye myself. I am what's twi a wo twese.
My cousin is here.
No.
Mr. Smith, don't be offended.
And no one let me. Wouldn't say some phone out of and I was actually be offended. Then I can't show. What was that second to? So Alice was then how is that a toy? And now I was going to say, I said, you know, your mother. I did that to him. I did that. I just said, told me.
But no, say, and never won my sad in a book. Like, it's not fair. Sitting be a number from me says, it's not fair.
But the media master also told the lady before who's in I'm so young yet to make this actually. May know if you have me yet to make this actually. And I was also like, it's what to go. So move soon and lose all thing and lose again. I was in several hands. And I mean, it's all if you want, Mr. the media master. Let me just so who problem is it?
And you know that.
I'm still young. I mean, feeling life make a call. Remember, Branca Canada, that means Yago, Methodist Yago, I have never been warrior. When you be there to me, what I say, you guys are always on me. Do this, do that, do that, do this. Listen, I'm saying this for the last time. My ring last time I went from my cousin, I was a same. You wouldn't take it easy from me. You will never take it easy from me. What's in America?
Oh, I want the best for all of that. If you are a man, what time you say it's not fair? Deep inside, you say you don't like that. But meaning games here, how let's
Mashias. The method is near Mashias. The method is what the form of until Jesus comes. Huh? HAJIA, aren't you happy with the kind of treatment I give you in this house?
I'm not talking about the treatment. I'm talking about how you mingle with the ladies out there.
Hey.
Once you say, oh, what's here, you buy then.
Diarrhea.
Because mommy, you don't know what I'm saying.
Now I'm not it won't look like I'm joking. Come on. In fact, I'm not ready for it. I need to put my plans. I'll get back to you later in the evening, yeah? What? I'll get back to you later. Yeah? Are you mad? At least, man, respect. No one go inside and you talk to me one-on-one. Are you mad? Hey, be careful, Hajia. You have to be careful. You have to, hey. Stop putting your nose into my issues. Stop putting your nose into my issues.
You know I can't.
You can't. Then stay away from my issues. What is that?
Madam, where are you from?
She's my visitor. In fact, I brought her inside. She came to visit me. What problem here now? She just returned from the States. And she's been my friend. She just returned and she's just being a visitor. Should I leave? No, please, sweetheart. You'll be inside there. Try and get me the break report from you last time. Use your money, I will give you.
I don't have any money on me. Then I'm not going anywhere.
Get inside, I'm coming.
And then I hate you. I don't know what I'm
She just dropped down last night. Let me take something from her.
Whoa.
Where's this puppy?
Mami hunu odo de no. Mami hunu so. Mami hunu wade de no. Esi abutre nkunimdie. Obi benya wane frifie. Onua ekono nko anka mampie. Onye so nkronso a wo yedie. We dey minim se madamfo ano no. Say sa no dream. Minim se mi bibi ano no. Say sa no dream. Asu oya gaga. Chemani mudi mame bye bye. Me say why. Asu nan say crown ya me lie. Asu oya gaga. Chemani mudi mame bye bye. Me say why. Asu nan say crown ya me lie. To oya madamfo. Anasa me dofo. Se me re uno se me krempa. Ache krami sasu. To oya madamfo. Anasa me dofo. Se me re uno se me krempa. Ache krami sasu. Se winti mi muami asu se mi di. Na me krampo mi ni umre. Me di blow boko fin sa beye. Se de beya me yemra mimbre. Odo na me woman wo. Yes, be a me a tintinto. I dream pa me o mounty. Afa me so kwa donto. To ye madam fo. Anasa me dofo. Se me re uno se me krempa. I che kremi sasu. To ye madam fo.
Mr. Gatti.
Leave. I don't want to ever see you in this house again. What do you take me for? Upon the man I've been spending on you, you are cheating on me. Bob, you have the guts to cheat on me. Me, Princess Dagati.
Dagati, I don't even understand. What I said? Sabi me ni pa ya woman to method this mommy, to method this young pondi. How can I cheat on you?
Don't even mention the name of God or something. You are nothing but a cheat, a liar.
In Pandili in demand, you call me a cheat. You called me a cheat.
Yes. You are a cheat. Bob, so don't you have pity on me? Look at the money I've been spending on you.
Dagati, please. That lady is so...
Is that my payback?
Listen to me. At least
to stab me at the back?
I am
Bob!
not stabbing you at the back. At least listen to my side of the story. The lady you saw me talking to at the chance is just an old classmate that we met. And she just popped into me.
This is the same story you keep giving me. A liar! Bob, why? I don't ever want to see your foot in this house. Or else, you wouldn't like me. You will regret the very first day you met me. Now leave.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that it's over between us?
I am not trying to tell you. Read my lips. I said it is over. Don't come here again.
Please, I'm sorry. I can never cheat on you. Me cheat also crank. Me just a mess say. My problem by your passage.
Yes, I'm power about them. You will go mad. You will go crazy for cheating on me.
I haven't cheated on you, please.
But why? I've been keeping this for you alone, and you keep on hanging this on every hole you go and enter. Why, Bob? Why?
Princess DAGAATI, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
You have broken my heart. You have broken my heart. I hate you.
Please, I'm sorry.
I hate you. Fuck you, Bob. Fuck you.
Jimmy, you have broken my heart. You have broken my heart. You have broken my heart. I have broken or something. Stupid. I see me down. I said I'm a pouch. And she me and the other to say. Now, I mean, a nice gentleman like me. Do you think I can go broke? Now come make Jimmy cry. Now come on, I'm young people. Let me tell this young man coming in there. I don't go. I chop. Samira. Little, sometimes she will give me Rebecca Kufodo into my party. I have all these women in my life, and you think I can cry over you telling me that it's over. Who are not you? So can you be done?